Welcome to linuxhelp.com. For today's topic, I will show you how to install and configure GpEasy CMS on CentOS 8.1. GpEasy is a complete content management system that lets users create rich and flexible websites with a simple and easy to use interface. The embedded design of admin interface allows users to instantly see changes in one browser window. It includes the feature like lightweighted, database-free, drag and drop page manager, built-in image gallery. So now let's proceed with the installation process. First of all, I will check the installed version of OS on my system. It's 8.1 version. Now change the directory to Apache document root directory cd//www. Now create another directory. Now move to newly created directory. Here, before the installation of GpEasy CMS, first we have to download the GpEasy package installer from its official website. It will take some time. It's downloaded. Now unzip the download folder. Now create a checklist. It's extracted as a GpEasy directory. Now rename the directory to the final. Change the directory. Now list the content of the final directory. You will see all the extracted data files here. Now assign ownership permission to the final directory. Now assign writable permission to the final directory to access the GpEasy CMS through web browser. Now list the content to check the permission assigned. Now create a customized configuration file for the GpEasy CMS. Create a virtual host here. Virtual host file have been created. Now write and quit. Now restart the Apache service to update the changes. Now after all have done, move to your browser and enter your domain name there. This is the installation page of GpEasy CMS. These are all the requirements which have been passed as showing as a status. There is admin credential. You have to do configure here. Provide your email address. Admin username. I am providing as an admin. Now click install. Installation have been completed. Now click your viewer website. This is your website. Now go to your admin panel as a logged in. This is the administration panel. So this is the method to installation of GpEasy CMS on CentOS 8.1. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.